Hi, I'm Greg MacGillivray, and I'm the director of Into America's Wild. We're in Moab, Utah, filming a fantastic climbing sequence. To make an IMAX film, you really want to put the audience in the location and show them something that they feel like they visited on their own. When you're watching a gigantic IMAX screen with a beautiful color and clarity, you feel like you're there. I think people will take away a sense of joy, the wonder of life, and the beauty of our planet.